The same papers that we used for it. It's the same set of papers. No, it's the same that we did. One we sent to so that we confirm.
Okay, send another one.
When the received everything on the 15th. They gave me.
Ever best. If I show it that your video, I will personally kill you myself. If I show it that video, I will
proceedings, I nominated my brother Sig, who conducted today's proceedings, so he will kickstart the yes.
Well, thank you. Well, the proceeding today commences with the tendering of documents we think we have in our possession that tends to suggest to us that of disqualification, the withdrawal from senatorial election of Senator Kassim, which was signed and filed with INEC on the 15th of July 2022, and the acceptance of his nomination, which was also filed and served with INEC on the 14th of July. So that documents are before the court. He accepted from what we have seen to be vice presidential candidate on the 14th of July 2022, while still a senatorial candidate for Borno Central constituency. And the both forms were filed with INEC. Those were the first set of documents that the tribunal or the court admitted. The second one is what we have, the certified true copy of the entirety of the record of proceedings from the District Court of Illinois in the United States of America, where $460,000 were forfeited in the proceedings that you will see that involves what appears to be narcotic dishonest substances. So those were the documents we tendered through PW1. They were duly pleaded, we served them, they have it, and everyone has it. So that's what we have done this morning, to bring them before the Honorable Court to see what it will make use of it, and they were all admitted, subject to whoever the order said that they will do whatever objection they say they have at the conclusion. But they were all certified public documents, duly paid for in the United States of American dollars. Thank you. Sorry? Well, the one they gave to us, Exhibit P A1 to 4, are from them, but there are still other relevant documents. As you heard my leader earlier in court, we have issued them what we call subpoena for them to produce. Because they are all public documents, you are entitled to it, I'm entitled to it, everybody is entitled to it upon payment. So they should give us, and they shouldn't hide it. I expect them not to do so, because if they hide them, you will ask questions, why? Well, I have not read it. I have not seen that judgment from the Supreme Court. But I think that facts of our case are facts that we need to plead and prove. And we have tendered some documents. So when we get to that bridge, we will cross it. I have not read it. So when I see it, then I'll be in a position to tell you. But there is what we call obiter dictum, statement by the way, and the reason for decision. We'll get there, and then we'll be able to do a distinction.
Good to see you. Very good. Thank you. Let me call you, sir. All right. Your turn. Okay. Maybe I will come and see you tomorrow. How much is that? If this is the best day, please, I'm sorry to say. I swear. If this is the best day. See you. Thank you. We couldn't make Sokotos and for 2.5 hours. So when I leave court, the governor called me and family have agreed that but